Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be talking about how to target friends on Monopoly Go. All you have to do is open your Monopoly Go application, and here you'll actually need to keep on playing until you step on a railroad. This will actually route you either to Bank Heist or into Shutdown. Shutdown is where you will be able to topple down one of the structures of your friends, and then in that way, once that's toppled over without any shield, you'll actually be able to earn money from that. So it will actually be added into your Monopoly money here on this application. So similar to the bank heist as well, all you have to do is to land into a railroad like this one. It will route you into one of your friends, and if ever you don't want to shut down one of the buildings of your friends right here, you actually have the option to click on switch opponent, and then it will allow you to choose one of your friends or one of the Monopoly Go players to for you to choose on who you will be shutting down or who you will be targeting here on Monopoly Go. Here is Bank Heist. This is another example wherein this actually are chosen randomly depending on who Monopoly Go will be letting you bank or heist their banks. So you have here an option whether you have the large heist, small heist, or the highest bank heist ever. And then from there, you'll actually won certain Monopoly Go money as well. And that's how you will be able to target friends here on Monopoly Go. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.